The DeWalt DW616PK Router Kit is designed to handle demanding tasks with its robust 1 3/4 horsepower motor, making it ideal for professionals working with tough hardwoods. This router kit features an 11-amp motor that ensures exceptional power, durability, and versatility, meeting the high standards that professionals expect. Users can achieve precise depth adjustments with the microfine depth adjustment ring, which allows for accuracy in 1/64-inch increments. The tool's Lexan sub-base not only enhances durability and visibility, but also accommodates standard template guide bushings, providing flexibility for various tasks. Operator comfort and control are significantly improved with the overmolded rubber handles and a well-balanced body, making prolonged use less strenuous. The inclusion of a dust-sealed switch and a unique detachable cordset configuration ensures durability and ease of service, further enhancing the tool's usability.